Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about mean value theorem for integrals.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here. F of x is equal to a negative x to the fifth power plus 4x to the third minus 5x minus 3, and we want to find the average value of the function over the given interval from negative 2 to 0. Well, first we want to find f of c, that's the average there. So we use our formula, 1 over b minus a, b being 0, a being a negative 2. Integrate that from negative 2 to 0 of our function. Negative x to the fifth plus 4x to the third minus 5x minus 3 dx. So let's go simplify this. What does it come out to be? Well, 1 over 0 minus a negative 2 is plus a positive 2, 1/2. Multiply that by, what's the integral of negative 5x? And that's a negative x to the sixth power over 6. Integral of 4x to the third is just x to the fourth. Integral of negative 5x is minus 5x squared over 2. And then minus 3 is minus 3x. And we're integrating this on the interval from negative 2 to 0. Okay, a lot to unpack here. 1/2 stays up front. Multiply this by, we first want to plug 0 into our function, the integral we found here. When I did that, when I plugged 0 into this function, I got, well, pretty easy to see, is 0. I love when zeros are there. Makes it easy. We subtract that when we plug negative 2 in for x. So I'll leave the simplification for you if you need it, but I did it for you. Plug negative 2 in for x, and I got a positive 4/3 when it's all said and done. So now we just have a 1/2 times a, well, 0 minus 4/3 is a negative 4/3. And 1/2 times a negative 4/3 is a negative 2/3, which is a negative 0.6 repeating. And so we found our answer. Our average value of the function over our given interval was a negative 2/3. I hope this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.